Okay, guys, so basically, I just didn't really want to get so distracted by my bad behavior. So we're just gonna deal with this type of stuff. But anyways, let's get into some more song beat maker stuff. And let's go. Okay. Today we are doing broken bounce. That's right, broken bounce. Okay, starting with lesson 1. I already did DMB Storm yesterday, and now we're gonna get into it. So here we go. Okay, know the basics. Now I did it very intentionally. Oh yeah, I did crush lesson 1. Thank you. Now it's time for lesson 2. Do you think you can do this? Yes? Good. Now, go for it. Okay, this one is a little tricky. Ouch! My fingernail's literally cracked. Oh my gosh, it's a little broken. It's about to come off. It's about to be infected. Oh! No! I'm not buying that. Sol de Janeiro? What? No! That's not what I'm supposed to be buying. No! I don't have any money. Lesson 3, let's go. Oh. You guys, there's my evil mother literally brought me some beamer cookies. Dang it. Oh, good, by the way. Okay, I want to show you guys something. Look what I got. It says smileforautism.com. And it comes with this little puzzle thing. See? Isn't that cool, you guys? Yeah, it's a little puzzle. Actually, oh, it's pretty cool. And it also has some words on there. Definitely gonna play with this one. very unique property. Let me put this back. That way it doesn't get lost. I just got a loud voice. No. Shh, gotta be very quiet. Okay, now it's time to do lesson 4. Here we go. I'm also going to show you something, guys. I got this unique brand Apple iPad. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. But anyways, we completed lesson 4, and now it's time for lesson 5. You guys,
the Chevy Equinox doesn't miss a beat.
Fingernails is
with dependability for the miles ahead.
Ferocious.
And tech to make them
literally
smoother.
deliberated. No, the nails are a little too long. I need to get them cut. That's what I'm gonna do. I need to do something.
I thought you were watching that.
No, basically, I got my nails a little too long. They're like literally nail fungus. Oh. I'm a little anxious and a little agitated right now. Gosh. Keep having longer fingernails. This is why I need to stop doing something like this. Anyways, enough talking. Let's go. Lesson 6. Goodness, you guys. Did you see?
You're successful at making your beats on Groovepad.
Oh yeah, I am. School lesson 7. think the lead just sounded kind of weird. The lead.
It's weird.
Well, it actually sounded weird. Like nobody could have heard before. Just sounded weird. Oh. Okay. You know that Raising Autumn is on PBS Kids, right? Probably so. Keep filming more Raising Autumn videos. All the time, huh? Yeah, well, lesson 8 is complete. And for lesson 9. Okay. Pretty darn tough.
Oh. Are you ready for the next lesson?
Yes.
Now go for it. It's lesson 10.
Okay. Now that's a significant goal of my life. I'm not the only one who's being precautious. Yeah. But anyways, that's it. I'm not doing Bass area. No way.
Gotta get this out of here.
That's it for today. Not getting nothing from Cover Girl. Nope. Get out of here. Alright, so the next one is actually gonna be Glamorous EDM. And I'm gonna be filming that. Gotta close it out. So, thanks for watching the video. If you guys like it, please subscribe, like, comment. Which song do you want me to do on Groovepad next? And give this video a big thumbs up. And bye.